Alright, what's up guys? Today we did a little bit of the vacuum system, took the canister off, took the air pump came off. Well, it was already gone. So let me take you through what I did. Alright, this is a sheet of paper I used, which is off the original one here. Just took a picture of it, made a copy of it. We saved the distributor. Of course, there's our main vacuum source, PVC valve. We're going to use it. Fuel line, we'll have to do something with it. That's the the fuel vents going to the gas tank, and the transmission switch. We got rid of everything else as much as we could. We had some right here was one of those hard pipes that came in. We cut it with a sawzall, and then I pulled it out, welded this one up. And on this other side, same thing. There it is there. I was able to use a 1/2 inch MPT threads on that. Just use a little plug. Got rid of all that stuff, all the hard lines. A lot of this stuff came off this, which I'll try to take that off and get that cleaned up because I don't think we're going to use these. Everything I didn't use on this old carburetor, I just plugged it off. The only vacuum lines I do have on here at this time are the ones I got highlighted. Like I said, this transmission valve here, transmission switch, that's this right here. Use that. That was on print. I saved it. That goes right here to this main vacuum source. You see, distributor. All right, plugged in the distributor there. Came around here to the carburetor. PVC valve is still in there, coming off the carburetor, sticking right here. We'll end up replacing that, but it's still there for now. And that's all I got on there. It ran and idled a lot better than it has before. It had pretty decent throttle response, just sitting here idling and romping up on it. So yeah, I think we're gonna be okay, but I've never done this before, so a lot more stuff to figure out. This brake booster, whatever this is, it ties into the back here to the manifold. It wasn't on my schematic. I didn't touch it. Let's see what else. That's about it. Probably be doing the wire harness soon, because as you can see, all of this is absolute garbage. There is shit everywhere. Wires broken. Just garbage. So we'll get all that replaced and start over with it. I don't know if we're going to do the engine bay. Well, I know we're going to do engine bay. I don't know if we're going to do the interior. I don't know. We'll see how decent shape it's in. But there's too much stuff here broken. I just want to clean it up. Too much electrical tape. Just too much trash. Look how much room's down there without the canister. We can clean all that up, get it painted, get to the frame. So much cleaner with all the emissions. That thing down there, I'm not sure what it is. You guys can tell me what this is, I would appreciate it. Looks like it ties to my exhaust system. Then it comes up to this hard line right here. You can tell me what that is, that'd be great, because I do not know. But like I said, there's wires hanging everywhere. So we're going to be doing a wire harness pretty soon. Okay, this is the part number for the EGR block off plate. We just went down to the local parts store. They had to order it. Take them like a day or two to get there. This is all the stuff we took off. Canister, all these hard lines. That's plugged into the one of the blocks. That's the other blocks. Looks a lot better without it. Alright, here's the EGR block off plate. Right there. Got it on.
So easy.
hate I couldn't record more. I had some friends over, and we are just trying to wrench away, try to get done best we could. I had a camera set up. I should have a little footage from it, but it got knocked over like twice, so I decided to take it down. But that's it, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, keep this thing going. Just gonna kind of take you through it and take you with me, see what happens. All right, see you later.